Budgerigars. In wild.
The origin of the Budgerigars name is unclear. First recorded in 1805, Budgerigars are popular pets around the world due to their small size, low cost, and ability to mimic human speech. They are likely the third most popular pet in the world, after the domesticated dog and cat. Tame Budgerigars can be taught to speak, whistle and play with humans. Both males and females sing and can learn to mimic sounds and words and do simple tricks, but singing and mimicry are more pronounced and better perfected in males. Females rarely learn to mimic more than a dozen words. Males can easily acquire vocabularies ranging from a few dozen to 100 words. Pet males, especially those kept alone, are generally the best speakers. Budgerigars will chew on anything they can find to keep their beaks trimmed. Mineral blocks, ideally enriched with iodine, cuttlebone and soft wooden pieces are suitable for this activity. Cuttlebones also supply calcium, essential for the proper forming of eggs and bone solidity. In captivity, Budgerigars live an average of 5 to 8 years, but lifespans of 15 to 20 years have been reported. The lifespan depends on breed, lineage, and health, being highly influenced by exercise and diet. They are found wild throughout the drier parts of Australia, where they have survived harsh inland conditions for over 5 million years. Their success can be attributed to a nomadic lifestyle and their ability to breed while on the move. The budgerigar is closely related to lories and the fig parrots. Budgerigars are nomadic and flocks move on from sites as environmental conditions change. Budgerigars are found in open habitats, primarily in scrublands, open woodlands, and grasslands of Australia. The birds are normally found in small flocks, but can form very large flocks under favorable conditions. The nomadic movement of the flocks is tied to the availability of food and water. Budgerigars have two distinct flight speeds which they are capable of switching between depending on the circumstance. Drought can drive flocks into more wooded habitat or coastal areas. They feed on the seeds of spinifex and grass, and sometimes ripening wheat. Budgerigars feed primarily on grass seeds. The species also opportunistically depredates growing cereal crops and long grass seeds. Due to the low water content of the seeds, they rely on the availability of fresh water. Wild budgerigars average 18 centimeters long, weigh 30 to 40 grams, 30 centimeters in wingspan, and display a light green body color, abdomen and rumps, while their mantles, back and wing covers, display pitch black mantle markings, blackish in fledglings and immatures, edged in clear yellow undulations. The forehead and face is yellow in adults. Prior to their adult plumage, young individuals have blackish stripes down to the cere, nose, in young individuals until around 3 to 4 months of age. They display small, iridescent blue-violet cheek patches and a series of 3 black spots across each side of their throats, called throat patches. The 2 outermost throat spots are situated at the base of each cheek patch. The tail is cobalt, dark blue, and outside tail feathers display central yellow flashes. Their wings have greenish-black flight feathers and black covers with yellow fringes along with central yellow flashes, which only become visible in flight or, when the wings are outstretched. Bills are olive gray and legs bluish-gray, with zygodactyl toes. In their natural Australian habitat, budgerigars are noticeably smaller than those in captivity. This particular parrot species has been bred in many other colors and shades in captivity, for example blue, gray, gray-green, PA, violet, white, yellow-blue. Pet store individuals will commonly be blue, green, or yellow. Like most parrot species, budgerigar plumage fluoresces under ultraviolet light, a phenomenon possibly related to courtship and mate selection. The upper half of their beaks is taller than the bottom half, covering the bottom when closed. The beak does not protrude much, due to the thick, fluffy feathers surrounding it, giving the appearance of a downward pointing beak that lies flat against the face. The upper half acts as a long, smooth cover, while the bottom half is just about a half-sized cup piece. These beaks allow the birds to eat plants, fruits, and vegetables. Budgerigars have tetrachromatic color vision, although all 4 classes of cone cells will not operate simultaneously unless under sunlight or a UV lamp. The ultraviolet spectrum brightens their feathers to attract mates. Budgerigar fossils can be dated back 50,000 to 70,000 years.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.